She just tried to dig into her food over there. She needs a teeth cleaning, so that's why she hasn't been eating in 2 days. Today's actually the 3rd day. But yesterday I started giving her this right here, okay? Which I found at Target, which is amazing. You could take the little pacifier out. And what I did was I mixed homemade chicken broth, which is just boiled chicken and ginger. That's it. That's all that's in here. And then I mixed it with a tablespoon of this, which I also got at Target, which is chicken. It's delicious, actually. And then a little bit of this, which is Native Pet, also at Target. It's the daily. It's a supplement. And you mix it with, you don't mix it with water, guys. You mix it with food. It does not say that in the directions. I don't know why. But it comes like this. Let me show you. Comes like that. So it's like a powder. It's got goat milk in it or something. I don't know. I don't care. It's got everything she needs for supplements because she hasn't been eating. So I figured, let me do this for her, warm it up, mix that in together with this, and then she gets 2 of these. This is 5 milliliters. She gets 2 of these in the morning, 2 of these in the afternoon, and 2 of these at night, unless she wants more. But you can see she's eating in pain because I know her teeth are hurting her. She's eating that. If she's eating it, it's because she's hungry, and that means she's fine. Just remember this, okay? This is the tip I have for you guys. If your dog doesn't eat for 5 days, please take her to the vet, then, because that's not good, even if they're drinking water. She was drinking water and not eating, and today's the 3rd day, but on the 2nd day, which was yesterday, I did give her the broth, and she loved it. She drank it. She wasn't throwing up. She wasn't doing anything. She's still peeing normally, see? She wants that because it's bacon. I put bacon in there. And she's blind, by the way, so she can't see. And then I gave her like the soft food, you know, but she didn't want the soft food. And that's just mashed up chicken, a little bit of liverwurst and whatever. And that right there is blue. That's the only crunchy food I give her, only because I thought it would be good for cleaning her teeth since she only eats soft food. And that's probably why she's got really not good teeth. She's going to get her teeth cleaned in a couple of weeks anyway. Until then, you know, she's drinking water. So remember this tip. If they're drinking water, they're not vomiting, that's a good sign. If they're not eating and drinking water, that's a good sign. But if they're not drinking water and not eating, no. A dog can go 5 days with no food, but they can only go 3 days with no water. So just remember that, okay? It's very important that they're hydrated at all times. And there's proof right there that natural remedies do work, okay? I give her castor oil in her, 1 drop of castor oil in each eye, and it keeps away the infection. It works better than anything else over the counter, I'm telling you right now. Thank you to Dr. Andrew Jones, who I follow on YouTube and Instagram. He is amazing, and that's where I got the castor oil in the eyeball idea. Even though all the vets were telling me no, yeah, they were wrong, okay? All right, talk to you soon. I love you. God bless you. And what do we say? We say ciao. And from Coco and me, Mouthy Fox, we say row. Okay, see? Talk to you soon.